Welcome, in front of me Dell Chromebook 11, and now I'm gonna show you how to first set up this device. So to perform the first setup, first you need to choose the language you want to use. In my case it will be English, so you can choose the keyboard too. Then click Get Started, and you must to connect your device to the Wi-Fi. As you can see, it's impossible to bypass this step, so you need to enter the password from your Wi-Fi network. So select the Wi-Fi network from the list and enter your password. Then of course you need to accept these Google terms, and you have here optional terms, and you don't must to do that, but you should. So accept and continue, and here you can set it up to you or for your child. If you will set it up for your child, it will automatically enable the parental control, so you can do it, but it will cut the functionality of the device. So I will don't enable it, even if I will do it for the child. And here, what we have here, so sign in to your Chromebook. So I wanna log in into my test Google account, for example. So in my case it will be it's my test Google account. You need to log in into your Google account, then you need to enter the password, click next, here you can turn on or turn off the sync with your Chrome. Here you need to scroll down, click more and accept. Wait a while. Cool. Click agree if you want to use Google Assistant, and click no thanks if you don't. Then you can connect your device to the new Android, to the nearest Android device, or to the device connected with your Google account. For example, in this list, there are all devices I have near. And I have devices those connected with my Google account. So you can choose one of them, but I suggest to do that later in settings. So click next, and cool, that's it. And now you can use your device. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.